When it comes to cash flow management, businesses need software that not only keeps track of expenses, but also helps project future financial health. Today, we'll compare Xero and Patriot Accounting to find out which offers better cash flow management. But stick around till the end because there's an alternative that might just surprise you. Let's start with Xero. One of its key strengths is its robust features, including detailed cash flow tracking, real-time updates, and the ability to connect with over 800 third-party apps. Xero offers a clean and intuitive dashboard, providing a clear view of your bank balance, overdue invoices, and upcoming bills. However, while it's feature-rich, the complexity of some of those features can be overwhelming for small businesses without a dedicated accountant or bookkeeper. Next thing, let's talk about reporting. Xero excels in generating customizable cash flow reports, allowing you to dig deep into income and expenses and even forecast future trends. This can give you a real-time snapshot of where your business stands and what to expect financially. But keep in mind, its reporting system can take some time to learn, especially if you're not familiar with accounting software. Now, moving on to Patriot Accounting. Patriot shines in its simplicity. It's designed for small businesses that need an easy-to-use interface without sacrificing functionality. The cash flow management features are straightforward, tracking income and expenses in one place, with basic reports to help you stay on top of things. But here's the catch, it lacks some of the advanced forecasting tools that Xero offers. So, while it does the job, you're missing out on deeper insights into your cash flow and future financial outlook. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. Xero takes the lead here with its broad integration capabilities. Whether you need to sync with your bank, automate invoicing, or use payroll features, Xero integrates seamlessly with other tools, saving you time and effort. Patriot, on the other hand, offers fewer integrations, which may limit flexibility if you rely on third-party apps. Next, we have mobile functionality. Xero's mobile app is robust, allowing you to manage your cash flow on the go, checking balances, sending invoices, and reconciling transactions. Patriot's app, though functional, isn't as feature-packed, and the experience can feel clunkier if you're trying to manage everything from your phone. When it comes to cost, Patriot is generally more affordable, especially for startups and smaller businesses, while Xero's pricing can be a bit steeper due to its advanced features. However, if you need those features for better cash flow management, it might be worth the investment. All things considered, both Xero and Patriot Accounting have their strengths and weaknesses, but for businesses that need serious cash flow management with advanced forecasting and reporting tools, Xero stands out. However, after trying all these platforms myself, I've discovered an alternative that might be a better fit for your business goals. If you're looking for something that's easy to use, offers robust cash flow features, and comes with excellent support, you'll want to take advantage of the free trial in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, give it a try and see how it compares.